Hi everyone, welcome back to another video with Rules of Games. It's been a long time that I didn't post the unboxing video, but here we go with an exciting unboxing. So as you saw a couple seconds ago, we're unboxing the Z200 stereo speakers by Logitech, which are at $29.99. And before I start, I want to tell you that on my recent build, I did a super budget gaming PC that you see right here that can run almost any games in 2020 and almost any games that will come in 2021 too. It's a very super budget gaming PC that you can build yourself and enjoy it. So if you're interested in watching that, the link is at the end of the video, and please go ahead and watch it. You can also find many more unboxing videos on my channel too. Also, about this unboxing that I'm doing right now, I want to tell you that I'm not sponsored by any of these brands, and the reason for this is that I purchased it my own, I use it, and I give the honest feedback, because I know if I get sponsored by these companies, then I have to only say the good things about it. So I say both the good things and the bad things about these speakers, and it's up to you whether you want to get it or no. And also, uh, what I do is I use the product for almost a month and then I give the review. So these speakers are used for almost a month because I want to test them and give the honest review about them. Here we go. So these speakers are $29.99, but I know that in other websites, if you apply coupons and other things, you can get up to like $20. You can get these stickers for $20 if you apply coupons like Newegg and other websites. But in Logitech website, they're $29.99. And they're 10 watts and they have subwoofers too. So I personally wanted to get the Z213 speaker, which have the actual large subwoofer, but I wanted to give these a try and to see how they feel, because they're very small and compact, as you can see, and they fit on the table very good. Like many of the other Logitech products, I'm using Logitech webcams, Logitech mouse and keyboard. These speakers are very good quality too, that I feel. With the price that they're giving you, the sound is very loud. The subwoofer are actually pretty strong. You can feel them when you play bass music on the table, and the sound is loud enough for you in the room, and even for mixing, video editing, gaming, it's perfect. Zoom meetings for your university, school, these speakers are perfect. And you can adjust the audio right here. You can connect your headphones to it, and you can also connect your uh, phone or other device and listen through the speaker. Next to it is a subwoofer bar, which you can decrease your subwoofer to 0 and increase your subwoofer to max. So you can choose whether to use your subwoofer or not. There are two disadvantages of this speaker, but these two disadvantages are fine with me at this price point. And I'm going to tell you that the disadvantage. One, the first disadvantage is if you touch it, because it's made out of plastic, your fingerprint will stay there. So, and the good thing is that these are speakers, so you don't touch them a lot. So you just leave it on your table and you're fine. But if you touch it, your fingerprint will stay there. And the second thing is, if you're listening to a bass music, don't listen it on max volume. On max volume, the song have some noise in it, and I don't like it. And also, if you listen to max, it will damage the subwoofer, and then you will not get the best quality. So always go a little bit below the max volume. Let's go ahead and test some of these music. I'll show you two different type of music, one bass boosted music on max volume and one regular type of music that we can play. And I'm gonna give you a hint. What you hear depends on your speaker you have. So if you're using a phone or an earbud, then you'll not hear the bass. So you need good speakers to actually hear the bass. And I will not do any editing on this, so you can see the true sound of these speakers. Okay, let's go ahead. Okay, so I'm going to decrease the volume and then increase it gradually. Okay, so as you can see, when I was listening in halfway, the sound was perfect, even a little bit higher than the sound was perfect, but at the end, when I raise it to max, you can hear noises in the sound, and the quality is not that great. So the good thing is that the sound at the max is very, very loud, so you don't want to listen to that. Damage your ear too. So you go a little bit below that and you're fine. And I'm telling you this, so if you don't like that, you decide going for much higher price speakers. You have to go about like $60-70 to in order to not have that. Okay, let's go to a bass boosted music, and this one I'm going to play it loud at the max so you can see what I'm saying, and then I'm going to decrease it to a good quality. Okay, also let me do an experiment to show you the bass. So I'm gonna put a paper in front of the speaker so the bass moves the paper so you can see how much bass it has. So as you saw, this was the speakers. At this price point, I think that they're worth it, and they're good looking, good sound, and they have high and powerful subwoofers too. So again, if you're interested in the super budget gaming PC, the link is right now, you can see it. And also, if you have any question about these speakers, or if you have any question about any other thing, please feel free to comment below and respond as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video, and have a good day.